A strong fence is the very heart, the central pillar of a safe and secure homestead for your goats. It's the boundary that defines their world. Goats are, without a doubt, natural escape artists, always on the lookout, always testing, probing, and searching for any weak spots in the perimeter. A flimsy fence invites trouble. It's practically an open invitation. Escaped goats can wreak havoc, destroying gardens, munching on prized plants, or wandering into dangerous situations like busy roads. A secure and well-maintained fence keeps your animals safe and sound, and gives you invaluable peace of mind, knowing they are protected. Predators like cunning coyotes or roaming dogs are very real and persistent threats, especially to vulnerable young kids. A well-built and properly maintained fence is your first and most important line of defense against these dangers, creating a safe and secure sanctuary for your precious herd. I've personally seen the heartbreak and devastation that occurs when a goat escapes through a weak or damaged fence. Don't let that be your story. Take preventative measures now. Beyond just basic safety, good fencing also lets you effectively rotate pastures, improving the quality of the soil and the available forage for your goats. Separate paddocks are also essential to help manage bucks, especially during breeding season, keeping them safe and healthy, and new mothers with their delicate young kids. A solid and reliable fence is truly the foundation of sustainable and thriving goat keeping. Plan your fence carefully and thoughtfully before even bringing your goats home. It's a fundamental act of responsibility and a true expression of love for your animals. Build it right and build it strong right from the very start to avoid countless future headaches and potential disasters. A strong and dependable fence is the silent yet ever-vigilant guardian of your homestead dreams. Gather your materials before you start building. Use treated wood posts for corners and gates. Metal T-posts work well for the rest. Aim for a fence at least 4 feet taller for jumpers. Woven wire mesh with small squares is best. It keeps goats in and predators out. Welded wire is cheaper but less durable. Set corner posts in concrete for strength. Essential tools: post hole digger, T-post driver hammer, level, tape measure string line, and wire cutters. Use U-shaped staples for wood posts, wire clips for T-posts. Don't forget sturdy gate hardware and a goat-proof latch. Quality materials mean a fence that lasts for years. Invest wisely for peace of mind and happy goats. With all your materials ready and organized, from posts to wire, it's finally time to build your goat enclosure. Begin by marking your fence line with stakes and string, ensuring a straight and accurate boundary. This is a crucial step for a professional-looking fence. Clear any brush, rocks, or other obstacles along the marked line as you go. A clear path makes installation much easier. Now plan and set your strong corner posts first. These are the foundation of your fence, so take your time. Dig holes 2 to 3 feet deep, and set the posts securely in concrete. This will provide the necessary stability. Once the corner posts are set, space T-posts 8 to 10 feet apart along the fence line. Use a T-post driver to drive them in securely, ensuring they are firmly planted in the ground. Next, unroll the woven wire mesh carefully along the outside of the posts. Begin attaching the wire to the corner posts with heavy-duty staples, making sure it's well anchored. Then stretch the wire tight, moving section by section to the next corner post. For a taut and professional look, use a fence stretcher or come along to get the wire as tight as possible. Secure the mesh to the line posts with staples or wire clips, ensuring consistent spacing. Regularly check that the wire is even and tight along the whole fence, adjusting as needed. Take your time and pay attention to detail. Precision now means fewer maintenance problems and a safer enclosure later. A well-built fence is a visible promise of safety and security for your goats, giving you peace of mind. Each post and wire you install brings your vision of a secure and thriving goat enclosure to life. Soon, you'll have a secure, beautiful, and functional enclosure where your herd can roam safely and happily. Don't forget the gate, a critical component of your fencing system. It's often the most common escape route for adventurous goats. They're always testing the boundaries. Choose a sturdy gate that is as tall as your fence, ensuring a consistent barrier. Make sure there are absolutely no gaps for goats to squeeze through. Even small spaces are an invitation. Use a 2-step or even a chain latch for added security. It makes it harder for them to open. Goats are incredibly clever and surprisingly adept with their mouths. They can figure out simple latches quickly. Consider adding an electric wire along the top of the fence, and also along the bottom for extra security, deterring digging and climbing. This will reinforce your fence significantly. Add practical touches, such as a small access gate for easy human passage. Consider installing a water hydrant nearby for convenient access to water for your animals. Beautify your fence by training climbing plants to grow along it, or give it a fresh, appealing look with a coat of paint on the posts. Personalize your fence and property with a charming farm sign, or add solar lights for both charm and practical nighttime illumination. Your fence can be both practical, providing security, and a beautiful reflection of your homestead's unique spirit. Share your own fencing tips, experiences, and stories with our community. Let's learn and grow together. Together, we build not just fences to contain our animals, but a thriving, supportive community of homesteaders.